Hey, it's Dr. Marco Pelosi III. I'm here with Dr. Imani Rosario. She's a urologist from New Jersey, and she just got into cosmetics and cosmetic gynecology. Dr. Rosario,
Yes.
So what is it that got you interested in cosmetics?
I wanted to do some things for women that make them feel good about being a woman. Do things that beautify people, because as a urologist, we don't get to do that very much. And I'm just looking for ways to kind of explore creativity.
Awesome. So when you decided that you really wanted to get into this, how did you go about looking for a place to get some training?
Well, I didn't really know where to start at all. So I just started by looking online, and I kept seeing Pelosi. It's been around for a while. Everybody knows the name. And you know, your name is in the textbook of cosmetic gynecology, and so I just called. And here we are.
So which programs have you been through so far?
The Cosmetic Gynecology Cadaver course, which I started there, and we learned so many things. It was really comprehensive. It was fun. I met people from all over the world. I really had my eyes open to how big a field this is. I had no idea. There was so much that we could do to help women and make them feel good and make them feel great in this area. So that was awesome. So I started with that course, and then I just really wanted to get some experience by coming here to the Pelosi Center to get to see some real life patients and see how you interact with them, how you get people to come and see you, and just working with you guys. I just wanted the opportunity to do that again and get some tips so that I can go forward confident and ready. Now,
do you feel that you're confident that the techniques you've been shown are reproducible?
Yeah. For me as a urologist, a trained surgeon, it really is a smooth transition that I'm expecting. So, between doing the Cadaver course and coming and seeing live patients with you, I'm ready to go and I'm excited. And that's it. Yeah.